We're transferring to the pool. Everybody's coming around the back. It's starting to cool down a little, but it's still really hot. And again, I'm not moaning, I'm just saying, welcome to the Philippines. So the kids are loving it. My son, it's too deep for him there, but watch. Matthew! Watch him. It goes over his head. It goes over his head. He can't stand up in that. Look at him swimming. Yeah, it's a little bit too far, I think. There to there seems alright, but any further than that, no. So they're gonna play a game, I think. This is Melissa. They're going to play a game. They get money fit from 50 pesos up to 500. Whoever wins, to make sure they get people participating. This is Ralph. He's always very drunk. No, joke lang.
Joke lang. Now,
Yeah.
taste it.
Yeah.
Like a bubble gum. Like a bubble gum. Oh,
Very sweet.
sweet. Like me, sweet.
Yes, yes, that's true.
I'm sweet.
So we'll see what game they're going to play. The problem is the music. I don't want to get demonetized on top of everything else.
Sorry guys, we lost the audio of this part the video, so we're gonna do what's it called this?
We're gonna do a voiceover.
Voiceover, yeah. So they having games. They have a big ball, and then what's it called that?
They've got a big bowl full of money and they're doing it totally wrong. The money should be on a flat surface and they should be putting it into another plate or whatever. And instead of flicking it, they're supposed to just lift it up.
Yeah.
But that's not what they were doing.
Yeah.
Now, if I'd have been financing that, they would not have got away with it because one person made 3,000 and that was from scraping from the side and then flicking the money in the air.
So in the middle of the games, they decided
what the lady just did there is what we should have done, and that's not what they ended up doing.
The middle of the video, guys, they decided to put the money in the table.
Yeah, they changed it later on because they realised people were getting wise
it's
to
easy
it
to get
and,
it.
and changing.
But if you put the money on the table, it's hard to get the money.
Yeah.
So
that's not how it's supposed to work, guys.
Yeah.
They just done it completely wrong, and that's why you got lines and lines of people showing up to do it again as well. They had a first chance, they went back for a second chance after they realised how to do it.
So this is what we're gonna do, guys, when we lost, when the video is lost. That's what we're gonna do.
What Mel was saying is when we lose audio, as long as it's not all the video, we'll try and do voiceover.
Hope you like it, guys.
Yeah, so when you just see music, guys, and there's no other audio, you know what's happened. The camera's not working out.
Enjoy watching. Bye.
So this is my friend Ralph. Look, getting drunk as usual. Look. See what I mean, guys, about the girls get together, the women, then the guys are over there. Look, they don't tend to sit together. So I've told Mel to do some jamming with the girls here, because I want to see Mel drunk. I've never seen her drunk. So she said, all right, and look where she is now. So that's the girls. That's Joanne. She won 3,000 picking that money up. That's my brother-in-law, Chuck. That's Mel. Oi, I thought you were jamming. Here's my pa. Say hello, pa. And this is the guys drinking, jamming, singing. Oh my god. Pa doesn't like to be on camera. So, out of interest, they've just had this swimming pool built, and the actual owner designed it and built it as well, and it cost 1.5 million pesos. That's including the landscaping when it's finished off. That's what the budget is, and it all lights up, which I'll show you later on. So tell me what you think in the comments, guys. Again, please support our channel if you possibly can, and if you can't watch the videos to the end, share our videos, try and get us a few more subscribers, because Screw Boob is killing our channel. Well, I'm assuming it's Screw Boob. You know who I mean by Screw Boob. We can't seem to progress any. So we thought, thanks to all of you who do support us, we very much appreciate it. Bless you, and keep on supporting us.
Chris is drinking, guys. Look, what did you drink?
No, don't show them that.
It's okay, just only.
I don't drink.
Just only now. What is that, Jack?
It's Coca-Cola.
What is that, Jack?
Jack Daniels.
Jack
And
Daniels.
Coke. They made me drink it. In the West, guys, you know Jack Daniels is not cheap, but in the Philippines it's cheap. How much? But would it?
Is it same?
I was just about to say, is it genuine Jack Daniels?
Maybe it's genuine, Chris. They not allowed to sell that in mall if that is fake. It's genuine. You cannot sell that, Chris, if that is genuine.
So go and show them the girls. They're getting a bit drunk, guys, and they're making fun of me.
Chris, they cannot sell that in mall.
They're drinking.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Here we're here drinking the most expensive Scotch whiskey.
What's this? Johnny Walker. Johnny Walker. Apa nila si Sunrocks? They drunk na, they drunk. Let's go to the swimming pool. Si Mateo. Where?
Right, we've got to say goodbye. I thought we were going to stay a bit later, but everybody's leaving. That's what happens in the Philippines. That is what annoys me a little. You know, as a foreigner, you can spend no end of money to make your lady's day very special, and people normally come, they eat the food, and then they leave with a doggy bag, as we call it in the UK. So everybody's leaving, so you're not going to see the pool lights, but we've had a great time. It's lovely when all the family gets together. So I'm going to say, please subscribe, please hit the like button, please share our videos, please support us guys if you can afford to. But if you can't, just watch the videos to the end, and we'll see you on the next video. Ma and Pa there, look. Ma's recovered quite well from a stroke, by the way, guys. Thanks for all your kind messages about Ma.
Daddy have ice cream. We will eat when we go home.
You're such a liar.
It's because, oh, it's okay kay Matthew go to Urban.
Yeah.
Yeah, yung sabi nila.
Look at his face. Jim, I don't know. We'd lose him. He'd stay in Orban. Over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Say bye, guys.
Say bye.
Uy.
Say bye.
Bye, guys.